need ba talaga magaling sa grammar si HR? Dear Ate Chrissy, Ma'am, question po, need ba talaga magaling sa grammar si HR? What happened, Bella? I think, depende sa role mo. Kahit hindi ka HR, may value add kung maayos yung subject-verb agreement mo and sentence construct mo. Ako, as a manager, as a business owner, while of course, I would want somebody who's very good in terms of their grammar, hindi siya deal breaker pagdating sa measure ng ginagawa mo ba yung trabaho mo ng tama or magaling ka ba sa trabaho mo. Lalo na sa function ng HR, ang beginning point ng HR is yung actual heart mo for people. The heart of servant leadership. Whether magaling ka mag-English or hindi, ang advice ko, pag hindi ka ganun ka-confident in terms of conversing or communicating in English, wala namang issue kung mag-Tagalog ka. And even best, yung self-awareness mo na meron kang pagkukulang in communicating in English, whether that's actual or just confidence or just in your head, push yourself to actually bridge the gap in terms of developing. 'Di ba? May ChatGPT naman. Mag-enroll ka sa mga linguist class or maghanap ka ng English teacher para maturuan ka.